The Court of Appeal of Nigeria has commended the commitment and active involvement of election observation missions in Nigeria to ensure free, fair, and credible elections. The President, Court of Appeal, Justice Monica Dongban Mensem, made the commendation when a 17-member European Union Election Observation Mission (EUEOM) visited the headquarters of the court in Abuja. Dongban Mensem, while receiving the delegation led by Ms. Evin Insir, said the role of observation missions could not be overemphasized.
Your coming here is not just a show, but it's something that is intensely meaningful to us, and it displays your commitment. On the 30th of January this year, Mr. Barry Andrews led a team of 7 members of the European Parliament to this court. The visit was compelling and reassuring evidence of your concerns and desire for our great nation to achieve great strides in the democratic advancement. We discussed at length on certain issues relating to the court's preparation towards the 2023 election, the general election. We truly appreciate the commitment of the European Union and the parliamentarians. You know, our great nation, Nigeria, is going into the 2023 election.
She added that transparency in an electoral process was one of the essential values of democratic stability in a nation.
Election is at the core of our democratic stability, and Nigeria has been enjoying a democratic rule since 1999. It is required that no stones are left unturned to ensure a peaceful and successful transition. All hands must therefore be and have been on deck for the purpose of achieving this feat. The judiciary is no less part of this preparation. The Court of Appeal plays a vital role in the Nigerian electoral process. By the provisions of Section 285, Sub 1 and 2 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the President of the Court of Appeal has the burden duty to set up election petition tribunals in each state of the Federation, including the Federal Capital Territory, for the national and state houses of assembly elections and the governorship election.
Earlier, the head of the delegation, Insir, and other members asked some questions about low participation of women in politics, security, and safety of voters.
The EU, of course, respects the democratic institutions of Nigeria, and we appreciate very much the progresses of the last 20 years. This also is very much shown through that we have sent several election observation missions, not at least since 1999. And Nigeria is also a strong ally to the European Union in terms of course, democracy. And however, we see and we are concerned about the growing insecurity in the country. It is challenges for the elections itself and for the safety of the voters. But we also commend the signing of the peace accord. We see that there is a high level of new registered voters, especially among young people, and this we also want to commend very much. In the end, the young people are both the present and the future, and it is a very good indication on a very good sign. Nevertheless, we also are aware of the low number of women participation as candidates, not at least that it went down the last elections also, and this is a worry that we also have. As women, we are half of the population, and the half of the population, of course, should also have access to the decision-making as well as the other half of the population, regardless of where in our world we are in.